Imagine walking through a park, spotting a unique plant, or stumbling upon a beautiful landmark on a road trip. Wouldn't it be amazing if you could instantly know exactly what you're looking at? Well, with the Visual Lookup feature on your iPhone, now you can. Welcome to Visual Lookup, your iPhone's powerful AI tool that turns your photos into a pocket-sized encyclopedia. Visual Lookup can identify plants, animals, famous landmarks, artworks, and even books or music album covers, all with just a quick photo. Let's dive into how it works and how it can elevate your everyday explorations. Getting started with Visual Lookup is super easy. First, open your Photos app and choose any picture you've taken of something you want to know more about. Next, look for the little eye symbol with sparkles. That's the Visual Lookup icon. Tap it and then select Lookup. Instantly, you'll see all kinds of information. Whether it's the plant species, the name of an animal, or the historical background of a landmark. It's like having a guide in your pocket. Here's where Visual Lookup gets really exciting. Let's break down what you can discover with it. 1. Plants and animals. For nature lovers, Visual Lookup is a game changer. Snap a picture of a flower, tree, or animal and discover its name, origin, and even related species. It's like having a botanist or zoologist with you. 2. Landmarks. Exploring a new city, Visual Lookup recognizes landmarks and gives you quick access to history and interesting facts. Whether it's the Eiffel Tower or a hidden historic statue, you'll get insights with just a photo. 3. Artworks and books. Art lovers can get background on famous paintings or sculptures instantly. And if you spot an intriguing book or album cover, Visual Lookup will tell you the title, author, or artist. For the best results, keep a few tips in mind. Use clear, well-lit photos for higher accuracy. Try focusing on one object at a time to avoid confusing the AI. And remember to keep your iOS updated for the latest improvements. So, why is Visual Lookup a must-use feature? It's quick, it's private, and it's versatile. With on-device processing, your data stays secure, and it's perfect for a range of hobbies, from gardening to travel. Visual Lookup really is a world of information, right at your fingertips. So next time you're out exploring, let your iPhone help you discover the world around you. Whether you're identifying plants, landmarks, or art, Visual Lookup is here to satisfy your curiosity. Go ahead, give it a try, and who knows what you might learn with just a single tap.